Are you scared of court marriage? Watch this video. I want you to watch this video to the end. I don't want you to skip any part of the video. You don't need to be scared of court marriage. Now, let us discuss marriage at the registry, otherwise known in layman's terms as court marriage. What is court marriage? Court marriage, otherwise known as marriage at the registry, is a legal marriage or a legal union conducted in court between two partners. It is the most cheapest form of marriage where bride price is not required. If both parties are adults, consent is not required. The crowd is not required. It's just you and your partner. And it takes only 15 to 25,000 naira to finalize it. So before you say you don't want court marriage, draw closer. Let me list out the advantages of a court marriage. The number one advantage of a court marriage is that it's a legal union recognized by law that recognizes one man, one wife. It is a monogamous union. The law punishes anybody that violates the Marriage Act. You cannot remarry another during the subsistence of that legal marriage unless you divorce the other party properly. And you can only divorce the other party through court. This is number one advantage. The second advantage is that it is very cheap. No consent is required. No technicalities. All you need is two consenting adults. With 15 to 25,000 naira, you are done. Number three, your marriage certificate can actually take you outside Nigeria. Yes. Unlike customary marriage where you need to do other processes before you can take your wife or your husband out. Immediately you're married, the law recognizes that union and you can easily take your wife or your husband outside Nigeria relying on that certificate of marriage. So the law recognizes it is a legal union. Number fourth advantage, right? I think it's fourth. Is that you cannot wake up one morning and ask one of your partner to leave. You must go through the process of divorce before you leave. The number fourth advantage is alimony. The law does not care if you're a man or a woman. The person who is more rich pays the other partner. Yes, during divorce. If the wife is richer, she pays alimony to the husband. If the husband is richer, he pays to the wife. So the law does not say the man must pay. It depends on who is more financially stable at the moment. Number seven, the seventh advantage is that it makes provision for the children. It makes proper provision for the children in case of divorce. Number 8, your wife can inherit you, your husband can inherit you exclusively. No, in the event of you dying, there's nobody or you, from an outsider coming to say, I will claim this property. It's my brother's property. No, the law does not allow it. So if you really love your wife, if you really love your husband, you will let them take you to the court to wed you because it gives you so much opportunities, so much advantages, and every loving partner would think towards taking the wife or the husband to court to legalize their union. There are so many advantages, but I am going to stop here because I don't want this video to be too long. If you have questions, please, you can drop it at the comment section. Let's deal with it. But in the meantime, think about taking your wife to court to wed her or your husband to court to wed her. It is for your advantage. Good day. See you in my next video.